How to play with a friend here in the game where wins meet. Today I'm going to clear up this question for you. Drop a like, subscribe, and let's go. To play with a friend in this game, first, both you and your friend need to progress a bit in the story, up to around level 3 or 4. I'm level 4 here, and this social feature has already unlocked for me. So I believe that between level 3 and 4, by following the main missions, the yellow ones, you'll unlock this mode. This mode is multiplayer, and you can do certain activities together. When you press ESC and go to Social, then go to Friend, and then Add Friend, you just ask your friend for his ID, which is this number here, and type it in, or write his name. He accepts it, and he will appear on your friends list. You can click on him to play together. And when you go to Co-op, you'll see players from your world. You click on them and press Apply to enter or enter the cooperative mode. Then a code will appear for you to type in. So basically, that's how you play with your friend.